Stop by and take a look at the 2020 Outlander. A versatile crossover with power to spare, Outlander boasts an upgraded level of interior comfort and advanced technological features to give you control over every element of your drive. With super all-wheel control and a 5-star frontal and side impact crash test rating, peace of mind comes standard. This vehicle has less than 20,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitoring system, roof rails, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, fog lights, front stabilizer bar, braking assist, perimeter alarm, power brakes. Your new ride is just a phone call away.